Sometimes trucking to make you laugh. On my way to the show, posted a picture. Get on the freeway. Do about 15 miles. Somehow took a tire out. I don't know how, but I took a tire out. I felt it just start vibrating and shaking. Boom, gone. No, nothing's in it. I see. I mean, I literally just walked around the whole truck a few minutes ago. Unless something went into the sidewall or something. I mean, I felt around. I don't feel nothing. It's hot though. I'm gonna let it cool off. Got a guy coming to bring me a tire. Wasn't in today's plans at all. It's supposed to be an easy one. Well, guess I'm gonna lay in the bed. They're gonna rape me or take good care of me. Hoping they took good care of me. This is not how I wanted my day to go. Just rolling along, doing just fine. A whole 80 miles away from the Florida line. Boom. Always pull it off real quick to snap a good picture. Got a damn nail in the tire. Right there.
Hey man, you might want to consider getting you some damn 22.5.
Because of the hardness of trying to find the 24s?
Yeah, man.
I just told a friend of mine the same thing.
We've been getting all our semi-drivers that we deal with a lot.
Yeah.
Switch over.
The 22s. I just don't like the way they look.
No, you can't hardly, I mean, it's hard to get tires for them.
Yeah. Put some grease on there. Put some tire shine on that puppy. Yeah, it's ugly. Ugly duckling. I don't even know what that is. We're just gonna take it home with us. Have a spare one with us. I'm about to put all 8 on here. Big gun. Sound like somebody got shot out this mug. I got it started. Get my ass out of here before this shit blow up. All right, here we got air. Let's get up out of here. Let's get on down there to Wild. Park real quick. Getting ready to get back in and get back to it. Walked out of the truck stop and I'm like, woo, look at this. Look at this unit. All orange. 389. Stainless. Looking phenomenal. Nice setup. I really like this thing. And that thing is done right. Like, that's a truck that, you know, you don't even need more frame. It looks good the way it is. It's got that 5th wheel all the way back plus the setback pin on it, so that makes it look good. That's nice. That's nice, man. Sideways tanks. Yeah, that's nice, man. It's a real nice unit. Tastefully done. Ain't overly done nowhere. I really like those mirror brackets like that, the ones that sag down like that versus straight up. Those are nice. I got the chops on it. Yeah, just nicely done. Oh, you got painted around the headlights too. That's nice, man.